It's Jerry here with a new video. Today we're gonna go to the shop, get some things done. I just got a few things to do, and then we're gonna come back home. I gotta go to the bank real quick, get some money out, and yeah, I actually have a surprise for you guys. You probably will like it, and it's like a little new project. We'll see what's up. We'll see what we can do with it, and yeah. So see you guys later, guys. So I came to Wells Fargo. Let me go ahead and go inside real quick. Alright guys, so I went inside Wells Fargo. I got some cash real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and go pay the rent for the shop. That's the bad part about having a shop, but it's all cool. And then we're gonna go do that, and I'll show you guys what the surprise is in a bit. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna drop this off right now. The guy just told me to leave it in here, so I'm gonna just put it on top of the fire extinguisher for now. Put it up there. But I'm gonna organize a little bit, because when he comes in here to get that, I don't want it to be all messy and stuff. So let me organize inside, get these bottles to the side, try to organize all this stuff, because I need to start getting shelves to start stacking stuff up. Also, we need to get this off of the floor. You know, it's not that much of a mess, but it's a mess. You know how it goes. And then after that, we're gonna go home, and I'll show you what we got. Ooh, nice wheels. Okay, guys, so we're done here. It was just boring stuff. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the good stuff. So stay tuned, and we're gonna start driving over there. Okay guys, so we made it home. Now it's time to show you what I got. Well, I've had this for a while already. I've had this since last year, I think, but I finished it like a month ago. But I've had it for like about a year. Just the frame I've had for about a year. But I mean, it's nothing special. Like I was saying, yeah. So I've had it for a while now. And yeah, it's something pretty cool. I just need to fix a little bit more bugs on it, and it should be able to like work fine. I think I'm gonna take it to the shop maybe tomorrow, or when I get the car, because I either need the truck or the van. You guys know which ones I'm talking about. And yeah, so here it is. It really is a go-kart. I bought this frame about a year ago. It came with some skinny ass wheels, like little wheels. They were like about this big. Like I'm not even lying. Like they were about this big, and I swapped the wheels out. It came with like a bar that came around here. I had to take those off so the wheels would fit, and also this wheel would touch on this part, so I had to take that off for that to spin. And yeah, so I just might as well just took them both off. You can see where they cut right there. They went all the way up to there. And I'm thinking of like taking everything apart and then polishing everything, painting it to make it look nice. And yeah, I mean, I want to get a body for it. Like, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like, you know, one of those power wheels. I'm trying to get like a body but to fit over it, and it'd be like a car type thing, like a motorized power wheels. It would be pretty cool. But yeah, guys, that's just what I wanted to show you. Let me know what you guys think about that project, this little project that I'm doing. And yeah, so let me know what you guys want to see done to that little go-kart, because I don't know, like, a lot of things can be done. That's like a little fun cart I have. That's like my miniature project. After the 3 projects I have 3 projects. That's like my 4th one. So yeah, but so yeah, I'm gonna try to look for a Power Wheels type of car. Maybe I can find one in the junk or something, and try to get the shell off of it, try to put it on top of it, and try to make like a Power Wheels, motorized Power Wheels. That'd be pretty fun. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, don't forget to give a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep grinding for more content, you know. I'm gonna keep grinding, get more videos out, so I could get more videos out to you guys. And yeah, so